Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lamborghini Gallardo versus Ferrari F430. These two iconic supercars from the early 2000s offer distinct driving experiences. The Gallardo, with its all-wheel drive system, provides incredible grip and stability, making it a confident choice. Meanwhile, the F430 delivers a pure, engaging rear-wheel drive feel for the purist. We'll dive into what makes each of these legends truly special. Under the hood, the Gallardo typically houses a powerful 5.0-liter or 5.2-liter V10 engine, delivering exhilarating performance. The F430 counters with a high-revving 4.3-liter naturally aspirated V8. Both engines produce well over 480 horsepower, ensuring breathtaking acceleration and an unforgettable soundtrack on every drive. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this comparison, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh. You can find a link to it and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Visually, the Gallardo's design is sharp and aggressive, embodying Lamborghini's bold aesthetic. The F430, on the other hand, features more fluid and elegant lines, a classic Ferrari silhouette. These design philosophies extend to their driving dynamics. The Gallardo's all-wheel drive offers confidence, while the F430's rear-wheel drive provides a more raw and connected experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.